Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Club Couture, and this is our transfer for October in Club Couture. I'm just going to take it. It's called Happy Falladays. We're making up words now. All right, I was just showing you on the transfer how it is sticky and the netting on there so you get professional results. And with this Club Couture, you get 3 of those individual chalk pastes that I was showing you. Now you just take it with your squeegee and squeegee it on. Take off the excess, and then here I am pulling it up because chalk paste dries fast, and I don't want it to come up with the transfer. I want it to stay on my surface. So I did that, plus I'm just cleaning up a little bit of mess where I went over the lines and then drying it before I put this transfer back. When I put this back, I'm going to take a lid, a paste, just to set this on. And then I reseal the part that I pulled up before I chalk the rest of it. Now I'm going to do a technique. It's called a lot of different things. Hot mess, marbling. I'm just simply going to take my bark color, which is the chocolate brown, and put it in lines with my squeegee, and then I'm filling up in with the copper paste. Then I'm going to take my squeegee and just kind of zigzag my way down. Just getting all of that chalk paste on the surface. Get it all covered, and then I'll take some and squeegee the excess off, put it back in the jar. You might not want to put it back in your jar because it will contaminate the colors a little bit. You can just take it off on a paper towel. And there it goes. See? You get clean, crisp, professional results. And it's because of that netting that's in there, and also the stickiness of the transfer, because that seals it in. And now I'm just making a bow, and when I get done with this, I'm going to stick it onto the design with glue dots, because I might want to change it up. Remember, that's what's so great about the chalk paste, is you can leave it on there as long as you want. It's not going to rub off, but you can wipe it off with water or a moist towel. And so I'm going to do it this way. So if you would like more info on Club Couture, just message me. I'll be glad to give you any info. Sure glad you came by to watch this. Also, you can check out my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. Thanks for watching. Bye.